The future of London's transport system from 2022 to 2050 promises several exciting expansions and enhancements to improve connectivity and meet the growing transportation needs of the city. Let's explore the proposed developments and their estimated completion timelines, along with the specific locations where these expansions will occur. For the year 2022, the first significant milestone is the opening of the Elizabeth Line. This new cross-city railway line, also known as Crossrail, will greatly enhance connectivity in London. With its 73-mile route spanning from Reading and Heathrow in the west to Shenfield and Abbey Wood in the east, the Elizabeth Line will provide improved access to key destinations across the capital. This expansion is set to revolutionize London's transport network by offering faster and more convenient travel options. Another notable development is the extension of the Gospel Oak Line, part of the London Overground network. It will expand to the Barking Riverside by way of the Barking Line. The extension will enhance connectivity between neighborhoods in North London, allowing for easier access to the city centre and beyond. Again, in the same year, the Elizabeth Line saw further extensions, with the line branching out from Whitechapel to Stratford. This expansion will connect additional areas in East London, further improving accessibility and reducing travel times. This year, in 2023, the TfL line will fully integrate with the Elizabeth Line. In 2026, Old Oak Common, located in West London, will become a major transportation hub, opening as a new infill station. With connections to the Elizabeth Line, High Speed 2, and the London Overground West London Orbital, Old Oak Common will serve as a crucial interchange point, facilitating seamless travel across the city and beyond. The Overground Oak Old Common Lane and the road will open as new infill stations to interchange with the Old Oak Common Station. There is another proposed line to open from Hendon/West Hampstead to Kew Bridge, Hounslow. The West London Orbital, an extension of the London Overground, will provide improved connectivity in West London. This new orbital route will connect existing lines, creating better transport links between suburban areas and facilitating easier access to key destinations. The expansion of the Metropolitan line is proposed to occur between Watford Junction and Watford. The Metropolitan line will undergo an extension to Watford Junction, enhancing connectivity between central London and Watford. This extension will offer commuters in the northwest of London more efficient travel options and encourage further urban development in the surrounding areas. The Docklands Light Railway, DLR, will see expansions as well. The DLR Thames Wharf extension will improve connectivity in East London, serving areas such as Barking Riverside and facilitating access to employment centres and leisure destinations. Thamesmead Central will also benefit from an extension of the DLR. This expansion will enhance transport connections to this growing area in southeast London, providing residents with convenient access to the wider city. In the 2030s, a new tram line will be introduced between Colliers Wood and Sutton. This tram line will further augment London's transport network, offering additional connectivity and reducing congestion on existing routes. The exact locations for this line are yet to be determined. The Crossrail 2 network runs from Shepperton Hampton, Court Chessington, South Epsom, and Broxbourne and New Southgate. Another line will open from the eastern extension to Grays and Basildon. The Elizabeth Line will see further extensions, reaching Gravesend in Kent. This expansion will enhance accessibility for residents in the southeast of London and encourage economic growth in the region. The Bakerloo Line will undergo extensions to Lewisham and Watford Junction. These extensions will provide improved connectivity in South and Northwest London respectively, reducing travel times and facilitating urban development along these corridors. The Northern Line will also be extended to Clapham Junction, further improving transport links in southwest London and providing easier access to key destinations. The Central Line will undergo an extension to Uxbridge, enhancing connectivity to this suburban area in West London. This expansion will provide residents with more efficient travel options and contribute to the development of the surrounding region. In the 2040s, the TBD line will extend from Beckenham Junction to Hayes. In the 2050s, the DLR line will close the Tower Gateway branch and open Tower Hill as an infill station. With modern infrastructure, state-of-the-art trains, and well-designed stations, London's transport system will continue to be a vital component of the city's urban fabric. These proposed expansions demonstrate London's commitment to enhancing its transport network to meet the growing needs of residents and visitors.